In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert YouTube videos in Google Docs. This is a quick and simple way to make your document more interactive and easier to navigate, especially if you want to reference a video without dropping in a long, messy URL. Instead of leaving a plain link in your document, you can turn it into a clean smart chip that looks much more professional. To get started, head over to your YouTube dashboard. This is where you'll find the video you want to add to your Google Doc. Take a moment to locate the exact video before moving on, just to make sure you're copying the right link. Once you've found the video, click on the three dots next to it. This opens a small menu with additional options related to that video. From that menu, select Share. This is the option that gives you the direct link you'll need for your document. After the share window appears, click Copy. This copies the video's URL to your clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. If you want to be extra careful, make sure the link is copied before switching tabs. That can save you from having to go back and repeat the process. Now go back to Google Docs and open the document where you want the video to appear. Place your cursor exactly where you want the video link to be inserted. This could be in the middle of a paragraph, under a heading, or on its own line, depending on how you want your document to look. Click into the doc and paste the link. At this point, you'll usually see the full YouTube URL appear as plain text. That works fine on its own, but Google Docs gives you a cleaner option. To turn the pasted link into a chip, press Tab on your keyboard. When you do that, Google Docs converts the plain URL into a smart chip, which is a compact, clickable preview of the YouTube video. This makes the document look neater and helps readers identify the link more easily without seeing the entire web address. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a YouTube video link into Google Docs in a cleaner, more polished format. If the chip doesn't appear right away, just click on the pasted link and try pressing Tab again. This is a small tip that can help if Google Docs doesn't automatically recognize it the first time. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to insert YouTube videos in Google Docs.